Okay, brushless DC motor, 250 watts. We have the bearing natay washer na tanggal, so nalagpot yung washer, so I just replaced it with a copper one. Mukha siya diha, na-stuck tong isa ka washer dre. So e-bike PMS. So we're checking the rotor. Wow, ang daming kalawang. Supposed to be neodymium magnets. This is the stator. Parang baliktad, di ba? But this is the stator because of the plated sheets of metal here. And then natay kalawang again. I think that's okay. Still have life from the bearings. It's 600 FS 6202 RS. On the other side, it is FS6003 RS. So sa kabilang side, yung cover, yung bearing is FS6003 RS. So iba yung bearing sa magkabilaan. So if you're wondering bakit may tubig dito, because of the axle. Kahit may seal, pumapasok ang tubig. Kahit ito naka-seal to or naka-gasket, di pa rin talaga effective. And worst part is, I think ito, black ang contacts. And pag black ang contacts, it's sign na madumi, corroded, and cause of fire. So yeah. Yan, the greaser, because it's very dirty. So nagbutang lang ako synthetic grease sa bearing, sa shaft, and very thin coat sa surface kay para kung na particles ma-stick lang, or I don't know, dili na siya mo rust pa. Okay, grabe jud. So ini, I want this to last long unta. And can you bearing wear? Ooh, I think I have to replace the bearing. So okay, so we got a new sprocket. Have to install. Okay lang, clockwise. Okay. Okay, so this one, the brakes lisod kay siya ito no, kay kaning rotor, kaning silver disc masangit mo dia, and then the dogs are barking. So this is the controller for the Phoenix Exquisite Craftsmanship e-bike. So this is a controller, it's in Chinese, it's 3-phase,